Hi folks, this is Murtuza here, and in this video training I'll be showing you how you can go about quitting your job and building powerful assets that will give you monthly recurring income. And by the way, I've created a complete training for you which will show you in depth how you can use the power of systems and build assets that will pay you for your entire life, that will make you money for your entire life. And you can get access to this training by subscribing right below by putting in your name and email address. But before doing that, make sure you watch this video because I'll be sharing some valuable information to you in this video where you'll be learning how to build powerful assets starting today. Okay, so let's get started. So there are many folks who keep asking me that I'm doing a job. Okay, I am doing a full-time job. How I can go about building my online business and how I can get started with my online business. So this is a simple roadmap that you can use to switch from your job income to an automated business income. Okay, so here's how you can do it. So the first thing you can do is, keep doing your job. Okay, don't quit your job. It's very risky to quit your job just because you are really focused on building your online business, because your job might be fulfilling your household expenses, paying your bills. So it is important that you continue doing your job. Okay, but make sure you put up certain percentage of income from your job and put them in building assets. Mostly all the middle class people in India where I live, what they do is they save a percentage of their income and they save it in the bank. Okay, they do some fixed deposit and the returns that they get is maximum approximately 8-9% per year. Okay, which is very less compared if you put that same income in your business or building a profitable asset. Okay, and recently I took a flat and it costed me around $80,000, which is approximately 40 lakhs in Indian revenue, and the rent which I'm getting monthly from this is 9,000 Indian rupees, that is approximately $150. If you see, the return on investment is pathetic. It's approximately 2%, okay, 2-3%, so which is really bad. Okay, and if you put this income into a business, okay, into an asset, okay, then you will get a recurring income from your asset. Asset is something where you put in your income, you put in your time, money and energy, and you keep making recurring monthly profits. That is known as asset. So asset could be a business, it could be something like an investment like a bond. Okay, it could be a flat, okay, where you're getting rent. But the best returns which I personally believe that you can get is by building a business, and for me it is building an internet business. So the way it works is that you put a certain percentage, let's say 20-30% of your job income in building an asset, okay, like a business, and when this asset is built up, it will start giving you recurring monthly income. Okay, so this asset will give you a recurring monthly income, and now slowly and steadily you will build your monthly income because you are focusing in building your business, your asset. And now this recurring income, what you have to do is remove certain percentage of this income and put it back into your asset, put it back in building your asset. So for example, you created an asset, let's say you put up a business, you put up a website, okay, and let's say you invested $200. Okay, now you are working hard, and now this asset, this website is making you, let's say, $100 per month. So you can now go back and take $30 out of your $100 and put it back into your asset. And let's say you can start using those $30 to advertise your website, to drive traffic to your website, okay, to create products, the video products, the way I'm doing it. So you can put certain percentage of your income back into your asset, okay, and your asset will again give you more recurring income, more monthly income. Again, you put back certain percentage of your asset, so there will be a viral circle going around, okay, where your asset will keep getting stronger and stronger day by day. Your recurring income will go higher and higher day by day, and eventually you will be replacing your job income. And now is the right time to quit your job and now focus exclusively in building your asset. So this is how you can go about quitting your job slowly and steadily. So for me, my assets and my systems are creating an online business, and the way my machine looks like, the most simple structure skeleton of my website is something like this. Okay, so this T stands for traffic. Okay, I drive traffic to my website. This is my website. Okay, so I drive traffic to my website. Okay, then people subscribe to my list, and then I get them into a relationship building campaign where I focus in giving them good content, good videos similar to this one. I build relationship with them, and then I eventually sell them my products and services. If they wish to take my products and services, then this is where I make my income. So this is the kind of machine I set up, okay, to build my asset. And I would suggest you to do the same. I would suggest you to get started with your online business, and to make sure that your process gets easy, I've created a full-blown training for you, which consists of around 4 to 5 videos where I'll be sharing with you how I build my own assets. Okay, so to get this training, all you have to do is just subscribe with your name and email address right below this video, or there'll be a link somewhere near this video where you can click and subscribe with your name and email address. And what I'll be sharing with you is how you can go about investing. Okay, how you should go about taking money from your job and how you should invest in your online business so that your online business keeps growing. Okay, that's what I'll show you in one of the videos. I'll show you how to create your own machine. Okay, this is a machine that I personally create to build my online business. I'll show you how you can get started building your own machine. Okay, then the third video, in one of the videos I'll be showing you how you can boost up, you can get maximum conversions for your online business. Okay, so the kind of machine and how it should look like, how your visitors should travel on your website, okay, to get the max conversion and the max return on investment, okay, for your efforts and money. And the fourth video will show you the various components I personally create to build a powerful online business, a powerful website that keeps making me money, okay, for the investment that I do. Okay, and I have used this machine not only on my website but for the websites of multi-million-dollar corporate clients in India. Okay, and it has worked brilliantly. So a simple asset can give you 50%, 100%, even 500% return on investment. Okay, so focus all your efforts in building an asset, building a solid system that will pay you, okay, for years to come. And it will not only pay you, it will pay your entire, hereditary in future. Okay, so I would suggest you that you grab my training. It is absolutely free. There is no charge. All you have to do is put your name and email address somewhere on this website, or click the link right below, and you'll get to the page where you have to put your name and email address. I'll be sending you the entire training absolutely free. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and make sure you visit my website succeedwithmurtuza.com, and you'll be getting some cool videos, solid cool videos, hundreds of videos similar to this one. I'll be sharing with you my experience and knowledge in building an online business absolutely free. With this, I'll end up this video. Have fun. Goodbye. Take care.